Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to invest on Polymarket. Alright, let's be honest. Polymarket makes you feel like a mix between an investor and someone placing bets on the future, which is either exciting or slightly concerning, depending on how confident you are. Getting started is pretty simple though. I log into my account, hit the deposit button, and choose how I want to fund it. Most of the time, I go with a card or PayPal because it's quick, but crypto works too if that's your thing. Once the money lands in the account, that's when the fun begins. I scroll through the markets, pick something I actually understand, or at least pretend to understand, and choose yes or no based on what I think will happen. Then I enter the amount, confirm the trade, and that's it. I'm officially investing. Quick tip, don't treat every market like a coin flip. Some questions look simple but are worded very specifically, so reading the details can save you from a very confident mistake. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.